there. Can you see this? It's cold, very cold, and it won't stop snowing. Michigan's day is still warm. There's no ice yet, and so the water from the Michigan day is going right up into the air, comes over the cold land, and turns into snow. You can't see anything. So I'm just going into town. It's only going to snow all day long and all night and all tomorrow, so I'm just going to get a few things. There's some cars coming, going down the hill. You got to slow down. Slowing down, going down a hill is the most difficult driving in snow. Slow way down, otherwise your tires go. Here comes somebody behind me too fast. Yeah, guy with a snowplow. Anyways, I just wanted to show you the lovely Michigan winter weather. Kathy stayed home. No way, I'm not going. Okay, bye.